read the salt challenge. Salt challenge.
Okay, the salt challenge.
Yeah. This is just gonna be great.
It's gonna be wonderful.
Oh god, this is gonna suck. Maybe we should have gotten a bigger bowl.
Should there be more?
No,
Should there be
there should be
more?
way more, Jeremy.
There should be more. Yes, I know. We're gonna run out of salt. What am I gonna put on my steak? Okay, I'm not putting more because I want some salt on my steak. And that's actually a lot because we got big spoons. Mm-hmm.
Is that enough?
Here, let me put some more on.
No. Oh shit!
Okay, that's enough. I want some salt on my steak. Okay, let's do this.
Oh my god. This is gonna fuck. I'm really scared, Jeremy.
Cheers! Okay, ready?
I look like a chimpanzee. This is gonna be scary. It's sealed.
Ready? Are
No.
you ready?
No.
Are you ready now?
No.
Now?
Wait, I have to be.
Are you serious?
Did you just see your double chin?
1, 2, 1, 2. Do you really have to pee?
Not anymore. I'll hold it.
Okay, ready? 1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
What's it smell like?
Air. Ready? Steady. Go. I got some in my shirt.
Don't you move it. Ready, set, go.
I'm not even doing it. It's what? It's what? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. You want me to do it? Is that what you're saying? Does it hurt? I heard you swallow. Are you okay?
It tastes like Play-Doh.
This is a long time. Okay, fine. Okay.
Kids, don't try this at home. Oh god, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, on my knee. I took the salt challenge to the knee. Put it in my lap. Dude, it's just zooming on my Oh my god, we shouldn't have used pop. Turn it towards me.
Yay!
Oh my god. Are you even in pain? I kind of. Oh my god. What? Oh, dump it on the floor. What else are you gonna spin it? Oh my god, it's all over my knees.
She got it all over my head. Oh, you didn't even get it in the bowl.
I got most of it in the bowl. That was much harder than I expected.
So sexy.
Now I gotta clean up the big pea stain I left on it.
You peed?
No.
Oh.
Take a freaking joke.
Salt, not the best with pop.
Nope.
This should be part of the challenge.
Oh god. Should I stop it now?
That's not that bad.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.